Okay, these are the shovel heads that I got in the last group of videos. These were all rusty and corroded. And after you clean them, they look a lot better. But you can see all the corrosion in the spigot here. See how rough that is? See how this one's smoother? And this gasket surface is rusty, pitted. It's kind of hidden right now, but it is definitely pitted. So it needs to be surfaced a little bit. But that's what it looks like after you clean them up. And so they get a little flat spot across here when you cut them. The bigger the flat spot is here, the more it's been cut. So, like I said, these were blasted before, but then they sat outside and all the steel parts were really rusty. So I blasted them clean, took off the rest of the crud and paint that was in between the fins that you didn't really notice before. So now they're nice and clean looking. And that's what they should look like when you buy them. Definitely before you work on them. And this is some cylinders I just got in here, and you can see how before and after they look also. So these are front cylinders. So that means you take a front head. Now this is a rear head because the exhaust is out the back and the out the front makes it a front. That's how you tell the difference. So they go in there like that. That's what they're supposed to look like. So anyway, there you go. So I got to do a little surfacing on these here to make them usable. And like these cylinders, I have to do a punch them 10 over. They're standard now. Go up to 10 over 74, and they'll be good to go again. Nice, good Harley casting. So it's good. So I like the Harley parts. Just got to clean them up, and they should be good to go. This one here's got nice high seats in it, so they're not sunk. So this is a nice low mileage set of heads. Really nice exhaust spigot. Looks like the thread is gone or partially gone there. Yeah, it doesn't look too good. Probably should heat coil that. That one looks better. That one's got some threads, but they look big. Yeah, you see how they're missing on the front of the hole, and further down there's some threads in there. So this one's stripped out. So it needs to have a heat coil put in it. Should heat coil them both. That way you don't strip out. Alright, there you go. Clean up parts versus dirty parts. Big difference in what they look like between the two. There you go.